Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, you should unplug the appliance before beginning. To replace the power cord on your washer, first remove the screws securing the control panel cover and pull the cover off. Now disconnect the power cord wire connector. Use pliers to squeeze the power cord strain relief and pull the old cord out of the main top. Prepare the new power cord for installation by transferring the strain relief from the old cord to the new one. Now feed the new cord through the main top and use pliers to snap the strain relief into place. Connect the wire connector. Replace the control panel cover and secure it with the screws. You're now ready to plug the new power cord in and confirm that the washer is functioning properly.